So hey guys, I just want to tell you about an open house that I'm doing this weekend. It's going to be Saturday from 11 o'clock to 2 o'clock, and it's at Westwind Subdivision. And the address is 15611 Paintbrush Street, and it's just an amazing brand new custom home just finished. It's very big. It's over 5,000 square foot. It has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, fully finished basement that has stairs that walk up to the garage and out. So it has its own entrance in the lower level. The basement has a nice area for theater. It has a weight room, and it has a really great entertaining area. This home has all quartz countertops. It has a big rock fireplace and engineered hardwood flooring. It's just really stunning. So if you are looking for something like this, it's priced at $1,499,000. I hope that you come out and see me. And even if you're not, or if you have friends that might be, stop in at the open house. I'm going to have some refreshments, and I'd love to see you. So again, Saturday from 11 o'clock to 2 o'clock, Westwind Subdivision. Have a great day.